Yes. What's going on, guys? This has been AKA Day Trading Addict, and I have another good video for you guys. Today, I'm going to talk about how to double your small Forex account faster. So let's get to the video. If you're new to the channel, hit that subscribe button and hit that like button, because over here, what I do, I help struggling traders take their trading to the next level. I have been trading these markets for 13 years, so you definitely want to follow this channel. Now, the first thing you need to do, if you want to grow your account faster, you need to be organized. You can't come in the market and say, oh man, that looks like a good trade, but I'm not too sure. Should I take that trade? Should I not take that trade? Guys, you can't operate like that. Remember, you are going against people that have a lot of money. We're talking about the big sharks, guys. You're talking about smart money, okay? Millions of dollars, billions of dollars. So you can't just come in the market and guess and say, oh my gosh, should I take that trade? No, that's why you have to have a clear plan. Write it down. Don't rely on your memory, guys. This is not a game where you rely on your memory. You write it down. You have it next to you when you trade, okay? And you can't come in the market and say, does that look like a pin bar? Or does that look like a reversal pattern? No, guys. You as a trader, okay, you have to have things next to you. So let's say that you see a pin bar and you're not sure if it's a pin bar, right? Well, you have a picture next to you and you look at the chart and you match the picture to that chart. And if it's a pin bar, you take the trade. You can't guess, guys. You have to have things right next to you, so when you trade, you're going to be prepared, okay? I don't want you guys to just guess and say, oh, I think that's a good trade. No, because, when you do random things, you're going to get random results, all right? So let's go to the number 2. The second thing you have to do if you want to grow your account faster, guys, is you have to improve, right? So when you have a losing trade, you can't say, oh man, the market is playing games, or oh man, why me? Why I'm losing for? No, forget about that. Forget about feeling sorry for yourself. This is not the time, guys, right? You want to do is study your losing trades. Figure out why you are losing. Because when you do that, you are going to improve, right? Your skills are going to get better. So you can't just feel sorry for yourself, guys. Take it to the next level. And this is actually one of my secrets, guys. So make sure you write this down, okay? So let's go to the whiteboard real quick. Okay, so we're gonna go over my success formula. This is actually what made me successful. So let's go over it, okay? So the formula is basically you learn, all right? Learn, you do, and you improve, all right? So let's put that down here, improve. And sorry for the sloppy handwriting. It is what it is. Now, most people, okay, when it comes to, trying anything out, they learn first. A lot of people learn, which is, a good thing to do. But when it comes to taking action, which is the doing part right here, okay, most people really don't basically take action, or they do. If they do take action, it's just, they give it 50%. You got to give it your all, guys. Give it 100%. And then I can guarantee you 95 or 90% of people don't do this. They don't do the last part. They don't improve. They don't try to improve. This is my secret, guys. This is my secret to success. So let me show you guys something real quick. Imagine if we had a glass, right? This is a cup. I'm sorry, a cup, whatever, with water in it, right? So this is water. Now, let's say that this water is hot. And we decided to put an ice cube in this water. So we decided to put one ice cube. So this is an ice cube right here. Now, if we put that ice cube in the water, is it going to melt? Of course, right? If it's hot, it's going to melt. But if you put another ice cube in that water, right? Is that going to melt? Yeah, it's going to melt, okay? But if you start to put more, right? Let's say we put 3, it's going to probably melt, but the temperature of that hot water is actually really going to start changing, right? So we're going to put another one and another one. And if you put at least 5, 6 different ice cubes in that hot water, right? That water is not going to stay hot anymore. Why is that? Well, math-wise, it's actually impossible for that water to stay at the same temperature. It's impossible. I want you guys to listen to that. Impossible, guys. Now, let's go back to my success formula, okay? You learn, do, and improve, okay? Now, every time you improve, it's like you put an ice cube, right, into that water. You are going to change. It's literally impossible for you to stay at the same level if you are improving. Impossible. So, knowing that, okay, knowing this success formula, I said to myself, I don't care how long it's going to take me because I know for a fact I'm going to be successful. I'm going to be successful if I keep improving. It's just a fact because I can't stay at the same level if I keep improving. It's impossible, guys. Every time you improve, you are getting smarter. So you are getting closer to success every time you improve. I want you to understand that. Every time you improve, you are getting closer to success. So me, unfortunately, it took me 8 years because I was stubborn and I was trying to, do things on my own. But eventually I got to success because I told myself, if I keep improving, it's impossible for me to stay at the same level. Just like it's impossible for that water to stay at the same temperature, you have to understand that it's impossible for you to stay at the same level. So make sure you guys improve every single time you make a mistake, right? So let's go to the third one. Third thing you have to do, guys, in order to grow your small account faster, you have to take high quality trades. You can't look at the market and say, this trade looks okay, I'm going to take it. No. You have to say, you know what, this is a nice high quality trade. Even if you have to wait for extra confirmation. I actually talked about that in my last video. If you have to wait for extra confirmation, do that, right? But take high quality trades because you don't want to take okay looking trades because those trades are not going to build your account. If you take high quality trades every single time, your account, okay, will grow because of that, all right? So let's go to the next thing that will help you grow your account. Number 4, avoid rookie mistakes like over trading, right? Why are you over trading? You have to have a specific time that you want to trade every single day. Good example is I trade 9:30 to like maybe 12 o'clock and I'm done. I have a specific time that I trade every single day. I don't go, today I want to trade 6 o'clock. Tomorrow I want to trade 9 o'clock all the way to 4 o'clock. The next day I want to trade 2 a.m. all the way to, 8 p.m. Guys, you have to have a specific time that you're trading so you don't overtrade, okay? And stick to that plan. Another rookie mistake is, revenge trading. So every time you take a loser, you get mad. Guys, we don't want to be that trader. We don't want to get mad just because we took a loss, right? Another rookie mistake is moving your stop loss, right? You want to hold the bag because it hurts for you to take that loss. Guys, forget about that. You have your stop loss in place, right? Try not to risk too much per trade because maybe that's one of the reasons why you feel like that, all right? So make sure you are risking a small amount at first so you won't feel like that. You won't feel like, oh my gosh, I just took a loss. No. And another rookie mistake could be, being scared of taking the next trade. I know a lot of you guys that's watching this video right now, when you take a trade or let's say you take a loser, a lot of times most of you guys are scared to take the next trade. You can't think like that. If you want to grow your account faster, you have to trade like the pros. Every pro that I know, they don't care about what happened, on their last trade. They just take the next trade and continue to take the next trade and take the next trade and take the next trade. They don't care about what happened in the past. You can't do that, guys. If you want to become a pro, you have to take the next trade, right? So that's number 4, guys. So let's go to the next thing you have to do in order to grow your small account faster. Number 5, learn from smart people. If you look at any successful person, I don't care if it's a trader, a sports player, everybody, okay? Warren Buffett had a mentor. Jeff Bezos had a mentor. Everybody that's successful learn from someone that's smarter than them. So don't be one of those guys that, man, I don't need to learn from somebody that's, smarter than me. I could do this on my own. Don't do that, guys. I decided to do that, and guess what? It took me 8 years, right? And when I finally decided to say, you know what, let me get help, guess what? I started to see success, right? I actually started to talk to a lot of Wall Street traders that trade on Wall Street, and we're talking about 7-figure traders, 8-figure traders. And when you learn from guys like that, these guys are on another level. So that basically helped me become, a successful trader. But you, as a trader, guys, you can't just try to do things on your own. Learn from people that are smarter than you. Take your ego and put it to the side. This is not a game for you to say, oh, I've been smart all my life, I don't need nobody. No, this is not that game, guys. This is not that game, right? Smart money will take your money, okay, if you are one of those guys that think you know it all and you don't need no help, right? So let's go to the last step that you need in order to grow your account faster. And that is have big winners, guys. Please have big winners, right? You can't have small winners and expect to grow your account faster. So let me show you guys a good example. So let's say that we are right here and we see that the market is going bouncing back and forth, right? So we have a nice big range right here. So let's say that, okay, it gets down to this support level right here. You take a trade right here. Now, if you take a trade right here, are you going to say, all right, let's take a trade and let's get in right here and let's go for a quick one-to-one, whatever, and get out and, that's it? Are you going to do that? No, you shouldn't do that. Why? Because this tells you that you have enough room, right, to at least go to the high. So we don't want to basically take a quick one-to-one knowing that you have a lot of room to the upside. So if you look at this, we bounce off that support. Your target should be either right here, this left shoulder, or a new high. Okay, so when you are in a trade, you have to know, okay, this trade has the ability to give me a big winner. Okay, knowing that, you have to take advantage of that, guys. You have to take advantage of those big winners. Okay, so those are the steps, guys, that will help you grow your account faster. If you got any value out of this video, hit that like button and hit that subscribe button. Okay, and make sure you join my free Telegram group. I post some of my trades sometime, and make sure you join my free Telegram group, because that's where I interact with you guys and post trades and more. Now, if you want to learn how to become a full-time trader, I do have a training program for that. Will help you step by step, showing you everything you need to know. Okay, and I also created a new video in the course that is specifically for building your small account, right? You're gonna love that, trust me. So if you want deeper training, just go and check that out. All right, so I'm done. Thanks a lot for your time, and please have a great day.